Hello student, today in the lesson Federalism, where we will discuss the topic how the federalism is practiced, in our country. So student, the Indian federation system was changed after the lots of constitutional provision. Means many of the constitutional steps, many of the articles were changed, removed, and there was some addition in the articles, and these steps which were made to concrete the Indian federation system, all these constitutional provisions were not very necessary, they were very necessary, but these constitutional provisions, they were not very sufficient. Means many of the other changes were required to bring the lot of changes, to bring the concrete, you will say, steps toward to success the Indian federation system. And so many, you will say, program, so many other type of the practices, so many type of the other things was introduced. There were some 3 steps were seen as a federation practice. Number 1 is linguistic states. Second is language policy, and third one is center state relation. These 3 steps were also regarded as the first major test in the Indian federation system. This is the second major test which were ever made in India, and which also made India as a very strong, powerful federal country. So student, let we see what is inside in these topics. Linguistic state, in the first we will discuss it in this video lecture, and we will discover how the linguistic state were formed. In the first I will tell you what is the linguistic states. The states which were formed on the basis of language. The states that were formed or created from the old or large states called linguistic states, and there were only the one criteria that was used, it was the language. And after the language as a criteria, what was the benefit? So benefit that similar language speakers could live in one place. This arrangement made Indian federation system very successful, because in a country the language is a very sentimental issue which can, you will say, fight the people together, and in such a way the country become very, you will say, weak, very loose, and in sometimes many of the countries was destroyed over the basis of language. So language was the issue which was solved by the Indian federation system. And second thing is that after the first benefit, second benefit is that this procedure reduce the administrative burden. Means a big state, a large state, a old state, if it is very large in the area geography wise, then administrative challenges can be seen there. But when a large state divided into the 4 small states, then a small state can make good decision, beneficial decision in favor of their people of the state. So that is very, very important things. I hope all the students could understand well. And what was the other criteria which were used after the language? So these criteria were ethnicity, culture, tradition. Geography, international boundaries, and so many other criteria. They were used timely to form the state from the old states. Language, where you can take the example of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, which was formed from the south states and on the basis of Telugu language. That is very important things. And other states also formed, such as Haryana and Punjab. These 2 states were separated over the basis of language. So there are so many examples that can be discussed here. And ethnicity, culture, traditions, where the so many other states were formed from 1999 to 2001. These states were the Uttarakhand, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. These 3 examples can be seen there. Geography based separation of the state can be seen from the northeast international boundary based separation of the state can be seen also at the border of India. So this type of the process had made the Indian federation system very, very strong, and this system also regarded very, very carefully. But there were some weak point can be seen in that time. Means before 220 years ago, some unionist, some nationalist, they were feeling that this process to form the state over the basis of language will, you will say, reduce the spirit of democracy, will reduce the spirit of federalism, and many more the states can be formed over the different basis, and where the people will be very eager to separate their state from the old states. But this, you will say, dilemma was not very proper for a long time, and separation of the state from the language and other criteria was very fruitful for the Indian Federation. Thank you, student, to listen me and watching me.